Greetings and salutations, peoples, folks, friends, family. Tis I, the BLG, with no hat because I'm sweating my ass off, and no shirt because I don't care right now. I ain't cooking. Anyways, welcome back to another episode. Hands on with BLG. I am BLG. I am lefty. I am righty. Today, gadget test. Might as well, since we're going to try doing that brisket. Remember that? We bought this at the Walmart yesterday. I got me a expert grill 4-way meat thermometer thingy. It tells you if your temperature gets too low, below like negative 35 or something, which is weird. And it tells you if it gets too high, above 500. These two probes will tell you that. You just lay them, I guess, on your rack in your grill. One of these two, your choice. I'm going to use the orange one for the meat. It tells you what temperature meat is. There will be a display over here, apparently, that lights up to tell you temperatures for your beef, for rare, medium, and well done, and pork, and chicken. So I'm going to use that one for my temperature of the meat. And this one for the temperature should read just the temperature of the grill itself. Allegedly. This is a stickery thing. Static sticker. Lying bastards. Look at that. But you're supposed to... I've already done the battery cover. It's under here. It's really weird. This opens up from the back here. Your cables wind around this thing. Right? And it's really kind of cool because you can spear your cables right back into this thing. Allegedly. Like that. And it keeps them from flapping around all over the place, you see? So that's kind of cool, I guess. But it opens up. You got your battery packet here. So there's a little AAA battery goes in it. Just a single, which is kind of cool. Positive end over here. It was wrapped in plastic. I couldn't figure out why it wouldn't come on. So anyway, now I can't get it back together. Lefty, come on. But it clips down, which is kind of neat. Keep your wires from flapping around all over the place. It's hinged up here at the top. There's your on-off button. Let's turn it on and see what happens. Look, 76 is all the way down. And look, it does light up. For your beef, your pork, your chicken temperatures, and your too low, your overheat, meat, and temperature of the grill. So we're going to try this out on this brisket and give it a test. I'm going to rate this on a 5 stars. If it gets 5 stars for me, it's good enough for BLG. Thank you! Thank you! We'll see you back here when that brisket goes on and those probes go in. I'm going to probe me some meat today. I'm going to stick it good. And it's going to be like, oh God, it's hot in here. Why is it so fucking hot in here, BLG? It's because I'm cooking you. You're a brisket. And it's going to be like, oh, okay, good. See you later. Human tripod. Say hi, tripod mama.
Hi, tripod mama.
That's it. Okay, that works. We're back on our... What the fuck are we doing? Gadget test. New kitchen gadget test. The expert grill 4-prong, which I just noticed. Look at this. See the ends? Yellow and red and orange and green. Same as these up here. You can't get them tangled up or confused. So, what we're going to do is take our tray out with our what is this fucking thing? Brisket outside. I'm trying to get her to go in front of me so I can get out the door without setting everything down. You don't have to keep it aimed at me. Aim at the door if you want. I don't give a shit. I'm hands-on with BLG. I don't care if I'm on tape all the freaking time or on the camera. Alright. Now what we're going to do, this little snake thing has come up to 200 degrees. It says here 200 degrees, right there. Close enough? You can, and it's lit on this end. See how it's supposed to burn around like this. So what I'm going to do is I am going to put the brisket with the fatter end right in the middle, and it's going to point where most of the heat's going to hit it, along this edge and down the bottom. I'm going to try to find somewhere to put this. Now, I'm going to use this bag to wipe my fingers. We're going to try this probe thing. What I say the... this is the bottom. That's upside down for the way I would keep it. But okay, so the red one is for if it gets too cold. I don't know if we're going to need that, but we're going to lay that right here. And the yellow one, yellow one, is for if it gets too hot. Well, that right, shaw too. Kind of, I don't have any clips for it, but it's okay. And I'm going to use this. I'm going to drop that. I'm going to use this orange one for the meat temperature. And you want to hit the thickest part of the meat and try to get it into the middle. I am going to hit it here. All the way into there. And this other one here, the green one, the green one, I'm going to bring around, and this is going to be the temperature of the grill itself. These have fallen down. I do not like that.
Do you have to have them
I
in
don't
there?
have clips. I would like to, just to see if they work. Okay, and this one's for the temperature of the grill. We're going to put you right cha, and lay that down here, upside down. This one can move a little bit more. I'll put them about like that, okay? And we're going to close this, and that should hold them in place. There we go. Now, that's fine. Heat resistant up to 550 degrees. We're not going that hot. Then I turn this switch on here. I'm going to see what they say. Okay, there we go. We have our... I got to get this way. I can't see.
Oh, it's upside down.
Our super low temperature is 112. So it is definitely not negative 36 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's a good sign. It is not over 550 degrees. It is at 119. Our true grill temperature is 104, which is low.
It's 107 now.
I may have to, well, I've had the lid open too. It was at almost 200.
109.
And our internal meat temperature is 57 degrees Fahrenheit. And we can just shut it off for now. We're going to look for probably about 140 inside for a medium well or a medium cook on this brisket. So we're going to see what it does. And that's about it for so far. We'll be back with an update after a couple hours, maybe 2.5, 3 hours. I'll be back. I'll keep looking at it and seeing if it stays up to 200. If it doesn't, I'll jump start it to 200 and let you see. I'll tell you how I did it later. But I'll see you in about 3 hours when we get ready to wrap this thing. I can't get in the house. I don't know what we're doing, but I'm coming in. And we'll see you in about 3.5 hours. It is 9:15, so 10, 11, 12. So I'm going to say about 12:30. I'll have a couple of beers in me, and we'll come back and we'll see how that's doing on the snake thing and stuff. See you in a little bit, folks. And thank you, LAG, the Wi-Fi, the mama, human tripod lady, holding the camera for me. Good job. Everybody go like this. Yes, good job. Everybody say yes. See you in a minute. About 3.5 hours. All right. Yes, and we are back, folks. For the final review of the Expert Grill Thermometer grilling thermometer. Let's turn it on. It's hard to do one-handed. Let's turn it on here. We are at 191 degrees Fahrenheit. Yep, that's pretty close. The meat is at 157. I like that. And this thing's been fully functional, just turning it on and off, saving battery. I like it. It works on 1 AAA battery, not 3 or 2 AA's. That's awesome. I'm going to give this little bad boy 4.5 out of 5 stars. If you can find one, they're about 20 bucks at the Walmart. If you can find one cheaper, or you want to buy one just at Walmart or something or online, buy it. It works. The cables are a bit short, But you see, they do work if you're close by. Do not set this on the grill. This is all just plastic. But with the storage and everything, for plugging your things back in and easy cleanup, 4.5 out of 5. Buy it. So I hope you enjoyed the review. We'll see you guys next time, right back here. Hands on with BLG. For BLG, I am BLG, I am Lefty, and I am Righty. We'll see you back here in the next episode. Goodbye, folks. Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around and learn from me.